One day he was on top of the Mayapur. He decided to take rest on the roof because it was a little warm downstairs. And then it was like the story of, maybe you know the story of Srinivasacharya, where the spiritual master said that, what is that? And there the devotee saw, the disciple saw a rope. He said, that's a rope. He says, no, that's a snake. What's there? That's a snake. No, that's a rope. What do you see there? Oh, it's a rope. Excuse me. What do you see there? Rope. No, it's snake. Oh yes, it's a snake. Whatever the spiritual master sees, said that, my own vision, I'm blind, I can't see anything. I may appear to see something, but my real vision is whatever the spiritual master sees. Prabhupada was looking up at the moon and he said, yes, you know what the moon is made out of? No, Srila Prabhupada. Earth or something? No, it's made out of green cheese. Yes, Srila Prabhupada. Actually, he said it's made out of one big chunk of ice. So much ice. That is, otherwise how it is so cooling? If it's not ice, how are you feeling so cool? Isn't it very cooling? Yes, Srila Prabhupada. In this way, Srila Prabhupada would give various conceptions about what the moon was made out of. Then he said, you have ever seen an ant? Yes. So just like you are looking down upon the ants, they are looking down upon you. Look at those teeny little human beings walking around. The demigods, they are so intelligent, they are so powerful, they are so far advanced, that they are living so long. They're looking down upon human beings just like we look down at the ants. Oh, look at, they're only living, how many? 10 days. Our 1 year is their 6 months. That means that our lifetime is their 40 or 50 days. Oh, they live 1 month. Little bugs. The Prabhupada's vision was universal, was transcendental. So, his children and grandchildren, they are, of course, greatly fortunate to be in the line of this disciplic succession. And just like Srila Prabhupada untiringly preached to us, preached to his disciples and to the public, and tried to establish a new world. Actually, he has already established, it's already existing in his mind. By his intense desire, the whole world is already saved from this material contamination. Simply we have to just carry out the order. The battle is already fought. It's just like Arjuna. He simply had to go out there with his bow and arrow. Krishna had already killed everyone. Of course, in the battlefield it appeared sometimes very dangerous. It was very tense. But Arjuna actually, although he was in the midst of that tenseness and that battle, ultimately Krishna's will was already done. He simply had to go out there and dedicate himself to the battle. So like that, Prabhupada's will, the will of Lord Chaitanya has been brought down by Srila Prabhupada. Simply everyone has to carry that order to the disciplic succession. And the battle result is already fixed. It's already known that the whole world, Prativiti Ache Japanaga Rigam Sarvatra Prachar Hoye Mor Nam. Who else, what other Mu has this conception that without a doubt our system of spiritual science will be in every town and village, without a doubt. Who else has that faith? Some people are storing up canned food in their basement, waiting for the persecution. People try to spread theirs, but no one else has implicit faith that this will spread to every single town and village and person will hear about the message of Lord Chaitanya. Because we know that this is Lord Chaitanya's desire, this is Srila Prabhupada's intense desire. Yesterday we read his prayers, how he said that simply by Bhakti Siddhanta's intense desire already all these people are delivered. We know that by one particle of dust, the lotus feet of Srila Prabhupada, whole universes are delivered. We are simply implementing. Just we are allowed to feel that we're doing some service, although everything is already being done by him. Simply if we can be instruments, surrender ourselves as his puppet, so that he can dance us as he likes, according to his sweet will. I am just feeling unfortunate that I'm seeing everywhere I go how wonderfully everyone is surrendered to Srila Prabhupada, the disciplic succession's will, dancing as he desires. Well, I am just dragging my feet. So I just pray for the mercy of Srila Rameshwar Swami and all the Vaishnavas, that one day I may be able to dance according to Srila Prabhupada's directions as wonderfully as they all are. Thank you.